Hello, my name is Henry Peterson. I attended Sunset High School, the class of 2015, and I just finished up my freshman year at Oregon State University, majoring in computer science. My first year of college was exactly like I expected it to be. Um, I did a lot of studying, but I also had my share of fun. College is exactly what you make it. You get out of it exactly what you put into it. So if you want to study a lot and stay in all the time, you can do that. Or you can completely ignore school and go party and do all that stuff. You can do that if you want to. You get exactly what you want out of it. The most important parts of my education at Sunset were learning how to efficiently use your time. There's not as much class during the day at college, so you think that you'll have all this time to do all your stuff, but it slips away from you pretty quickly, and deadlines can approach you pretty fast. So using your time while you have it, when you have it, is definitely a good skill to have, and keep on using that. I didn't get the IB diploma. I did take two IB classes, IB chemistry and IB physics, but I didn't test either of those. The people that I do know that got the IB diploma, the only real benefit they got out of it was having some extra credits so they could register a little earlier. But any classes that they got out of, I could have gotten out of a different way, so there wasn't really too much benefit to having it. My most valuable classes at Sunset were definitely Java programming, C++ and data structures, and then Calculus 1 and 2. Those classes were college level classes that definitely gave me a head start compared to my peers. I didn't get the credits for Java or C++, and I gotta say, that was a really big mistake. Big mistake. I wholly, wholly recommend getting those credits. You will be far behind of where you should be if you don't. Um, but getting credits for Calculus 1 and 2 was a great option. It put me ahead a couple classes, and depending on your major, you could be done taking math after your freshman year, and it's really a great option there. Uh, most surprising, most surprising about college was probably the amount of support there was for students. In high school, a lot of the teachers, they kind of talked about how independent you're gonna have to be. There was gonna be lectures full of 400 people, and none of the teachers were gonna help you at all. But there's always TAs you can talk to. The professors will generally make time to talk to you, and there's also a ton of tutoring and student services on campus. So there's really endless amounts of help if you need it. You just have to go look for it. The skills and abilities most useful to me beyond Sunset was probably organization and using my time efficiently. Again, if you think you're gonna have a lot of time, but deadlines will creep up on you, and you will end up, trying to pull an all-nighter or something, trying to get one of your assignments done. But luckily, I haven't had to do that too much, and I think that's really just staying on top of your assignments and stuff is a great skill. Organization. It's easy to let your space in your room become a mess, but if you just take care of clutter as it happens, it should be no issue. All right, thanks. Go Apollos. Go Beavs.